Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss Smart Gaga leg piece for low-end PC 2GB RAM. Right click this PC, select Properties, then click Advanced System Settings, click Settings, then select Advanced for best performance, then select this option, click Apply and OK. Click Search, then type Registry Editor, open Registry Editor, run as administrator. Click HQY current user, click Software, click Smart Gaga, then click Project Titan, right click mouse, select New, select DWRD 32-bit value, then type memory. Double click memory, then set value data 500. Select decimal. Click OK. Right click mouse, select New, select DWRD 32-bit value, then type dedicated graphics card. Set the value data 500. Select decimal. Click OK. Right click Smart Gaga. Select Properties. Select Compatibility. Select Run this program compatibility mode for, then select Windows 7. Click Apply. Then click Change Setting for all users. Select Run this program compatibility mode for, then select Windows 7. Click Apply and OK. Now open Smart Gaga. Click this icon. Click Settings. Click Advanced. Select Resolution. Then select CPU. Select RAM. Click Save. Click Reboot. Click Settings. Then click About. Enable Developer option. Click Developer option. Select all animation turn off. Check mark Force GPU rendering. Then check mark Force 4x. Thanks for watching.